Get excited about the 2020 Honda HR-V. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. All-wheel drive maintains traction at all four corners. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.